Yeah. Ah, yeah, yeah. Oh, ah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. This one's for you, baby.
Hey my lovelies, today I'm going to teach you how to make this cute little top out of old pair of jeans and some scraps of fabric. Fold a pair of jeans in half, then cut it about 2 to 3 inches below the crotch. If you desire your top to be a little shorter, you are free to go 1 or 2 inches below the crotch. Then, unfolded the jeans to cut open the crotch like this. In order to create the opening for the top, go ahead and cut out the zip and the button. From there, you might realize that it might just be a little uneven, so you go ahead and cut it to make it even. Fold twice the edges to create a seam finish and use a pin to hold it in place. To create the loops for our top, grab one of the pants legs and cut 2 3-inch wide strips till the end. For the tie strings for the top, I'm using scraps of white spandex fabric, folded in half to save time. Cut 2 long strips measuring about 2 inches wide. Fold both jean strips used for the loops in half and pin along the edges. Then do the same thing with the 2 white strips for the ties. Along the pinned edges, sew. For the sleeves, I'm going to be using white stretch fabric about 14 inches wide, then cut the width in half. After, I'm going to fold about 1 inch along the lengths and pin them in place. Please be sure to sew more to where you've seen that I have pinned down, leaving enough room for something to go through the space. In order for the sleeves to have a little scrunch, I am going to cut half an inch wide elastic about 10 inches long, just enough to fit around my arms. You need about 4 strips of elastic. With the already sewed strips, I am going to use a pin to flip them over. I happened to flip over the jeans looped strips already. Use the pins thereafter to get the elastic through the arm sleeves. Just as you did when you flipped the strips, connect the ends of the elastic together with a straight pin and do the same with the remaining elastics. strips. Go ahead and sew the edges of the sleeves in order for the elastics to not slip out. For me to get the loops in order, I am going to cut the jean strips about 4.2 inches long. From my top, we need about 8 small strips, 4 strips per side. To attach the loops, I am going to pin the ends of the loop strips to the edge of the top like this. Each loop has a space of half an inch in between. Be sure to leave a space to the very top about 1 inch before the first loop. This space is designated for the tie strips. Pin the end of the tie strip diagonally in the space left earlier towards the very top of the loops. Finally, we're about to flip over the sleeves you've sewed and pin them along the top part of the lines for the jeans top. Sew along the pins of everything and we are finally done. If you happen to recreate this look, don't hesitate to share it with me. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel and share it to your friends.